Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today our topic is the level of organization. Eighth one is community level. It is an assemblage of different population interacting with one another within the same environment. We have studied population level in the previous lecture. So, community level is a complete assemblage of different population but they must be lived in the same environment. So, community level is a collection of organisms in which one population may increase and the other one may decrease because of food chain. One population may eating the other population. Some communities are complex like forest community, pond community, etc. because they have a lot of population within it. Some communities are simple like a fallen log with a various population within it. A log means thick stem. In a simple community, size and number of individual is limited. So any change in biotic and abiotic factors may have drastic and long-lasting effect. Biotic means living component, living beings, and abiotic factors are non-living things like light, air, etc. The ninth one is biosphere level. The part of the earth inhabited by organisms community are called biosphere. So any species living in any part of the earth may constitutes biosphere. It constitutes all the ecosystem and also called zone of the earth. Here is a definition of ecosystem. So ecosystem is the area where living organisms are interacted with the non-living component of the environment. Living beings interact with non-living beings. Biotic factors may interact with abiotic factors like human, animal, plants interact with air, light, etc. You can see biosphere, ecosystem, community, population and organism. An organism makes population, population makes communities, communities makes ecosystem and ecosystem makes biosphere. There are side boxes in that topic. There are definition of species and habitat. A species is a group of organisms capable of interbreeding and produce fertile offspring. So a species is an organism which can interbreed and can produce fertile offspring, the offspring like them. For example, there are many species in the earth like lion, koalas, tigers, eagles, frog, etc. Habitat is the area of environment in which an organism lives. There are basically four habitats: ocean, desert, forest and grassland. Thank you guys. Do like my video and subscribe my channel.